Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to claim UAE unemployment insurance. The Involuntary Loss of Employment, or ILO, scheme is a vital program in the UAE. It offers financial support to both Emirati nationals and residents working in the private and federal government sectors. This scheme acts as a crucial safety net, providing temporary income during unexpected job loss, helping you maintain financial stability. To be eligible, you must be employed in the private or federal government sector and hold a valid residency visa. Subscription to this scheme is mandatory for most eligible employees, with fines for noncompliance. Premiums are affordable: 5 dirhams monthly for basic salaries up to 16,000 dirhams and 10 dirhams monthly for higher salaries. You must have paid these premiums for at least 12 consecutive months to qualify for benefits. If you lose your job, it is critical to submit your claim within 30 days from the date of termination. You can easily file your claim through the official ILO portal, their smart application, or by contacting their call center. Essential documents include your Emirates ID, a termination letter from your employer, and proof of salary. Remember, your job loss must be involuntary, not due to resignation or disciplinary action. If your claim is approved, you will receive compensation equivalent to 60% of your average basic salary from the last 6 months. The maximum monthly payout is capped at 10,000 dirhams for lower salaries and 20,000 dirhams for higher salaries. These benefits are provided for up to 3 months per claim. Once approved, payments are typically disbursed within 2 weeks, offering timely financial relief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.